I never had a foundation match me this good. It's almost invisible kapag pinahid. Kita niyo ba yan? Where is it? It's from Spotlight. The shade is Dewy Almond and I have mature skin. Grabe, ganda! Teka lang, ano yung sabihin ko? I have mature skin. I'm 37 years old. And walang masyadong foundation available sa market that matches my skin this well. Grabe. It evens out my skin tone na parang wala lang. Parang wala akong binawahid kasi sakto-sakto yung kulay. Okay, let me do my entire face and I'll be right back. Ang galing. Parang wala akong pinapahid. Tapos nag-even out yung skin tone ko kasi perfect match! Perfect match! And I love that glow! Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, tingnan nyo naman. Sinet ko lang to ng loose powder. Ang ganda. It looks like skin. Walang contouring, pero nag-blush ako. Gamit ko to. Ang ganda. Okay, i-wear test na natin yan. So, 1 hour after I did my makeup, ayan po siya. Mukhang balat lang. Medyo cloudy, oh. Oh, pero ang ganda. Blurred na blurred ang aking mga pores. Six hours na po. Grabe. Medyo oily. But still. Ganda. Konting powder lang.